help, 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 tired, 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 help, 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 tired, 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 mother, doctor, I know, mother, doctor, help, 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 help. Jamaica is at peace. Help, help, help. I'm tired, I'm tired. Help, help, help. Tired, 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 tired. Help, 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 help. Tired, 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 tired. Mother, doctor, I know. Mother, doctor, help, 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 help. Jamaica is at peace. Help, help, help. I'm tired, I'm tired.
I apologize if I called too early. This is Shaniel McFarlane, the mother of Journey Brevet. I would have came on your live last Sunday in regards to my daughter Journey Brevet, who was reported missing. This morning I am just calling to inform you that we have found Journey alive. She is safe and she is doing well. I also want to take the opportunity just to thank you and your team for your immense support. The family, thank you guys for your prayers. We just want to thank the entire Jamaica for their assistance in whatever way it came with helping us to find Journey. The social media platform has been the main influence to the outcome of Journey's situation. So again, I just want to encourage you to just continue doing what you are doing. Continue helping Jamaica's mother or mothers in distress to find their family members. Because a lot of times it's not just young ladies, it's not just females. So once again, Mr. Stevens, from the depths of my heart, I am grateful for the support, grateful for the prayers, grateful for the light that social media has shined on my situation, and very grateful for my outcome. So have a great day. I am now getting ready for work. Have a blessed day, sir. And once again, thank you very much.
Ted Hirkoshi blocked all my accounts from 2019.
Beautiful woman. I was her executive assistant for almost a year and a half. Can you put up her picture, Jamaica? Producer, can you put up her picture? And Jackie Tyson only paid me $40,000, and I worked Sunday to Sunday with her as her executive assistant, as her event planner, as her right hand. So when people are going to talk, I say, they might get $40,000. It resonated with me because I had to carry Jackie Tyson. You no wonder why I love a big bag? Because Jackie Tyson taught me the importance of carrying a big bag for events. So me have my big bag and me have Jackie Tyson big bag I walk with all our culinary knife, them with everything. and a 3 big bag Jackie Tyson have. Three big bag Jackie Tyson have. I have to carry every one of them. I work from Sunday to Sunday. And I saw how a lot of people were exploited. You see all our wait staff then. We can't talk some things with Jackie Tyson do me tonight. We can't talk the things that my Jackie Tyson do me tonight. But it's not my duty to talk all of those things. Sometimes you see some great people and then business I do well, but them not pay people. Them not look out for the poor people. I was her executive assistant. I came in at 7:30, 6 o'clock, 6:30 at morning time. Checked her email, organized her day, make sure that all her meetings, every email was responded to, every client was responded to. I planned her menus, I executed everything. I gave event briefing for everything. And when I see all driver get $80,000 fortnight, me, Andre Stevens, I get $40,000 for the month. Driver, when I have CXC subject, I get $80,000. And me, where was the head cook and buckle washer, organizer. So I know a lot of secretaries in this country. A lot of secretaries, a lot of caregivers, a lot of cooks who watch me not deserve $40,000 in a COVID and after pandemic in a 2023. When $40,000, them when them go a price smart, for them price smart bill at $350,000 just for buy things for an event. And me, we are organize your day, follow up all your calls, make sure all of your corporate clients them get responded to. We make them personalize the email and them think a Jackie them a talk to. No, me do everything for this woman. When she done, she dash her Campari and her Red Bull pan me. She treat me like garbage. Dash. Do this. Take my back. Come out here. Come out. Come out of me character. Come out of me. Hey boy, come out of me sight. Come out. Mad boy, come out of me office. And when everything was done to perfection, no, you cannot leave. No, sit in your chair. You cannot leave. I must left work 6 o'clock, 5:30. No, you can. Where are you going? Are you mad? Going where? It can't work, Andre. You can't leave the event. Shut up your mouth. Shame in front of Wave staff. Shame in front of Sagicor. Shame in front of Digicel. And me have to take all of that shame there just to make my boss look good. Shut up! Shut up, boy! Shut up! Come back, licking in your head. Back, lick you. Shut up your mouth. I was just coming out of War 21. And I was just trying to get back on my feet. A lot of the lessons were bitter, but they were lessons that I needed to be taught.